The original controls on a Harbor Freight backhoe are short, and they make finer adjustments more difficult. This video shows how to extend the controls for less jerky movements and less operator fatigue. Here are the supplies you need for this quick modification. All of these items can be purchased on Amazon, and I'll include links in the video description. The threaded rods I purchased were 10 inches long, so I cut them in half, so each extension is approximately 5 inches long. Installation is self-explanatory. I do suggest adding red Loctite on all the threaded connections to prevent them from spinning loose when using the controls. For more videos on my modifications to the Harbor Freight backhoe, check the video description.